Hey everyone, Ryder's called the assistant into the Paw Patrol Lookout for a very important mission. She's riding her Dinosaur ATV and she's going to go up and try to find out what Ryder needs her to accomplish. Are you ready to go on a mission with the assistant? Let's go!
I was called over here to the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower because there's dinosaurs on the loose.
Really? Let's show the panel what we gotta do. Alright, put it on the display.
Okay.
You're right, assistant, there are dinosaurs!
Mm-hmm.
That's the first one? Does he look mean?
Yeah.
And there's a second one!
Whoa.
Wow! And there's number 3! Assistant, we've gotta find those dinosaurs, okay?
Okay.
So, let's see, show me what tools you got to help find them.
Okay, so I got a bow and arrow, 3 bow and arrows because there's 3 dinosaurs.
Oh yeah, that's right. So you got 3 tranquilizers, and then you got some tools to help you too, right?
Right. So they can come over to me. I have this mask.
Oh, so you can pretend to be a dinosaur, right? Wow, and then that's cool. So you got a blue velociraptor. And what else do you have?
And I have some claws.
Oh, some talons, right?
Right.
Just in case you need them. All right, so long as you roll those down the slide, and you've got one more special thing that I think the people saw on your way here. We've got a brand new blue, the dinosaur blue.
Not the color.
Right, on ATV, right?
Right. We gotta go ride that.
We gotta go ride it. All right, so assistant, you go on down the slide. We're gonna see if we can find those dinosaurs.
Okay.
So we're in the lookout tower, and we're gonna go on down. Okay, people at home, you gotta keep an eye out for those dinosaurs. They could be anywhere.
Hi.
Hi, assistant. I see you. All right, so you've got your special ATV, right? So here are your tools down here. You're gonna need those.
Mm-hmm.
And then oh wow, look at that ATV. It looks like a dinosaur. Right?
Right.
So look, it even has got a mouth on it. Can you close it? Whoa, that's pretty cool, assistant. Super cool ATV. All right, so we're gonna need to get your tools so that you can save the day.
Okay. I'll back up.
All right. You get those, and we're gonna look at this ATV a little bit more. So there it is, right? It looks like Blue from Jurassic World. It's got 3 speeds, including reverse. We'd like to thank Mattel for sending it to us so we can use it for this video, right?
Right. Got all my things.
And I'll hold the mask, and you can put the arrows inside your jacket, right?
Yeah.
Good job. All right. Okay, everybody at home, the assistant's gonna go find those dinosaurs.
Okay, here I go.
Here she goes.
Bye. Well, let's go.
Let's go. People at home, do you see any dinosaurs anywhere? Nothing yet.
Let's keep looking.
Yeah, I think we gotta keep looking, don't we?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, I can't keep up with your raptor. You're too fast. People at home, do you see any dinosaurs anywhere?
I see one.
You see one?
Yep.
She's on her dinosaur ATV. Okay, so I think I see one. Let's stop and see if we can come up with a plan.
I'm gonna shoot it.
Why don't you use your mask right here, and maybe you can make a roar, and that'll make the dinosaur think that you're a friend, and then you can use your tranquilizer arrow to stop him. What do you think?
Yeah.
Good idea.
So I'll grab one of my arrows.
Okay. You get an arrow. I think the dinosaur sees us. All right, try calling it, assistant. I think the dinosaur is getting interested. I think he's gonna come out to try to play. There it is. Get it, assistant, hurry! Get it! You missed! You missed, assistant! Oh no, I think the dinosaur realizes you're not actually a dinosaur! You missed, assistant! Assistant, you can't be missing the dinosaur! It's gonna take off running! Hurry, assistant, run up to it! Come on, you gotta get that dinosaur! You got it! Good job, assistant! Oh, we got the first dinosaur. Whew, that was tricky, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Whew.
Wonder what the other ones are gonna be like.
I don't know. We're gonna have better aim on the next ones, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back to your ATV and see if we can have it. Here, I'll hold your mask. And then we'll go from there. Oh, we still need to get those talons too, right?
Right.
All right, so you got that. Put your arrows away. And remember, if you miss it, you've got extra arrows, so you don't need to necessarily go and get the first one.
Okay.
You got your talons. I'll hold those. Off we go to find that next dinosaur.
Here we go.
You should probably go back toward the lookout, right? Wait a minute. Stop, since I see it. I think I haven't seen you yet. Hurry, this way. Hurry, hurry, hurry. All right. So this is what we have. We've got our
bow and arrow.
Bow and arrow. Our.
Shouldn't I just sneak up to it and get it?
You think we should?
Yeah, I'll try it. And if it doesn't work, I'll sneak it back and get into my disguise.
Okay, ready? Here she goes. See if you can sneak up on it. Hey, sister, hurry. You
I'm
gotta
gonna
sneak.
make dinosaur sounds so he thinks I'm friendly.
Okay, go for it. You got it, assistant! You got the second dinosaur! Ooh, good job. Well, that was a tricky one.
Yeah, not as tricky as the first one though.
That's right. We need to go find dinosaur number 3.
Okay.
All right. So we caught the first 2. Let's get back on that ATV and see if we can find the dinosaur number 3.
Okay.
Let's go. So there's the ATV.
I gotta put my arrows back.
Okay. I got an idea. When we find the 3rd dinosaur, I'm going to pretend that I can try to scare it. I'll put the claws on, and then I'll chase it to you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's go back and see if we can find it.
Okay.
That dinosaur could be anywhere, though.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Here we go.
Dinosaur could be anywhere. We're gonna have to use strategy to find it, right?
Right. I can't see it. I'll look around this.
Wait a minute, assistant. I think your dinosaur on the front of your ATV has got dinosaur sense. It can find it for you.
Okay.
All right, so let's see. You let the dinosaur guide you, okay?
Okay.
Hey, assistant, So the dinosaur is going to lead you, but why don't you wear that dinosaur mask so you can try to find it and scare it too.
Let's go.
Let me see. That's perfect. All right, assistant, let's turn around and see.
Looks like we are going the wrong direction.
Oh yeah, the dinosaur's taking you a different direction.
Yeah. Let's go.
Whoa, assistant, look, we're back by the lookout tower.
Yeah.
Do you think that third dinosaur was over by the lookout tower the whole time?
Maybe.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to put on a claw. Like this. All right? And you go around one side, and I'm going to see if the dinosaur's around there, we'll try to scare it, okay?
Okay, I'll go around.
You drive up, and then I'll go that way. Ready?
Okay.
Roar! Roar, dinosaur! I'm a dinosaur too! I'm a dinosaur too! Oh no! It's coming after me anyway! Oh no, the dinosaur's still coming after me! Oh no! Assistant!
Hey, dinosaur! Dinosaur!
You missed, assistant! You missed! Oh, good job! You threw it and hit it! Alright, good job! We got the third dinosaur!
Yeah.
Wow, that was a big accomplishment. Good job. All right, we need to take these back to Jurassic World, right?
Right, let's go.
Let's go. Okay, everybody. Hey, assistant, good job. You did a great job with Blue the dinosaur.
Thank you.
Wow, you used the lookout tower and you were able to stop all three dinosaurs, right?
Right.
Wow. So what was the most helpful thing? Was it the lookout tower?
The ATV.
The dinosaur ATV, right?
Right.
Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, assistant. What do you think? Should the assistant, do you think she's going to have to look for any more dinosaurs?
Probably.
Probably. Leave a comment and let us know, or have your parents leave a comment. And remember to subscribe to the Engineering Family, right?
Right.
Okay, everyone, have a great day.
Bye. I'm gonna go look and see if there's more dinosaurs.
You do that, assistant. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Timu Mizumi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye.